Hi guys, this is going to be a very quick one because all it is a USB cable, but I quite like the way it was all packaged, so I thought I'd just share it with you. So this is the Anker Powerline Plus Micro USB cable. It's a 1.8 meter or 6 foot, depending on what measurements you use. Reason I've bought this is that I need for my PC monitor mount. It's got a USB 3 docking station at the bottom of it. To power it, I need to plug it into a power supply using a micro USB cable. So I've gone with this. This in conjunction with the Orica charging station. I don't need an additional plug. I'll just plug the cable straight into that. It'll charge it. It's fine. So yeah, where was it? Yeah, there you go. America's leading USB charging brand. Faster and safer charging with our advanced technology. 10 million plus happy users and counting. I have heard that people who've had issues with Anker cables as well, they've contacted them and they've sent them out a new cable free of charge. I don't know if they've asked for the other one back or not. I can't see that they would, because the amount it would cost to return the cable to them, it's probably not worth their time. But yeah, this is the Powerline Plus. So, and I quite like, and I've seen reviews where people have basically complained about the fact that, you know, that's quite a nice little bit of packaging. Take it out. You've got the Anker label, but this is what people have complained about. The longer cables don't come with this pouch, apparently. Only the shorter ones, and that's what people have complained about. It's like, well, really? You're going to complain about it? But I went for the red one. I was thinking of going with the black or the grey. I can't remember what the other option was. But they were going to charge, Amazon was going to charge me, I think, another £3 or something. I know the red one was cheaper. It's like, well, I don't care if it's red. It's going down the back of my desk. No one's going to see it. So, yeah, that's that. And little Velcro strap. Yeah, there you go. And this is apparently a USB 3 cable. Not sure if it is or not, but as long as it'll push the power across from the Orica to my USB hub, I don't care. If it doesn't transfer data, all it needs to do is transfer power. That's it. So yeah, that's it. The Anker Power Plus Micro USB cable.